What's up? What's up? All right. Finally got the big move up on the Euro GBP. Now, unfortunately, it is before the session. I think I'm gonna leave it alone for now. But I have a feeling there's gonna be a bunch of good moves presented on that one later. All right. So I just stepped in, just turned my computer on pretty much. Ah. I need to eventually stop vaping. Messing with my throat. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna go for maybe one or two trades today. I don't want to get too crazy today, but luckily it's a lot of movement, so it'll probably be pretty easy. Ah, hold on one second. Had to throw some more clothes on. It's freezing cold today. Yeah, this Euro GBP should definitely give me some moves later. I forgot to check the news actually. Nothing major until 5:30. So I'll be okay on the London. Hmm. Yeah, this I'm tempted to get in here, but I just want to wait until the session actually opens. Ooh. Might be a pretty good move here too. Yeah, this is one of those days where so many different moves to take. I'm gonna have a hard time deciding which one will be the best. We got the Euro GBP probably going up. It might come down to the 21 at worst. It'll probably just consolidate for a little bit and then continue up. Got the AUD, NZD. This might make another quick move up. Got the GBP, CHF. This, Well, since the Euro GBP is going to be going up, it's going to put a lot of downward pressure on this. So I'm not really sure what to do with this, but this is a lot of momentum to work with. And then we got the majors. On all of the major pairs, there's a ton of momentum. This is looking especially good here. This one looks okay to go long. Not great, but all right. Not sure what to do with the dollar. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, this may or may not be a dollar day. But the best outcome would be it goes up. Then I could just short some of the major pairs. One of the major pairs. Hmm. If I get a full red bar here, I might go ahead and enter, even though it's before the session. Either on this one or on this one. Actually, this one doesn't look as good. This one looks much better. Hourly chart still coming down really heavy. Yeah, NZDU short, AU short, GU short. I might even get into this one, like right now. Definitely not the best idea to get into moves before the session open, as I've explained 8,000 gazillion times. But if it has this much momentum, and I've got this going up too, this would be like the perfect short. And the chance of it going back up are pretty slim. Yeah, I might do it. But like I said, the dollar is not necessarily looking like it has to go up. It's looking like it probably should go up, but it's not like super good of a move. So I might just stick to this here. I would say this is going to go up for sure. Let me just see the other charts. Yeah. It might come down a little bit. Like I said, it might come down to like the 21 EMA on the 5-minute chart. But this should definitely continue going up. That's usually what it would do. That pair is pretty predictable. Oh, am I gonna do it? Oh, I really want. I think I'm going to. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. So remember that whole thing about not taking trades before the open because it's not the best idea. Well, I still stand by that. But if you get a really, really, really heavy momentum move like this is one time where I would go ahead and go for it. Okay. Now I might not be able to get that full 18 pips, but I put it there just in case. Usually on moves like this, it'll go down really fast, and then probably a little bit later on, it'll probably go back up actually. And the problem here is that I have this going up, so the euro is going up, so all the euro pairs will be affected. But I still think this is a good enough move to at least try it out. And again, if I lose, I just lose one reward, and I'll get 3 rewards somewhere else on some other trade anyway. So far, this is only trade. This is the only trade I'm going to take before the open. Okay, just got to grab some water. I'll be right back. All right. So we got 5 minutes before the open. It's pretty unlikely for this to go through before midnight. It would be better if it did, though. Um, like I said, the only issue is now this is gonna most likely start going up. I think it'll come down first, though, and I'm most likely gonna jump into that one too. Um, yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. Not great, but good. I'm not mad at it. Hey, how's it going, Danielle? Yeah, I have a super early day myself tomorrow. Super early. I gotta wake up at 5. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I gotta wake up at 5 tomorrow. Ah, here I am trading at midnight. Okay. All right. A couple things happening here. This is finally continuing up, which is not very good for our short trade here. But this is also continuing up. So hopefully this will give us enough energy to kind of cancel out all this over here. I really probably should have just went short on the GBP USD instead. I was being a little hard-headed there, but I think it'll still work. It'll just take longer. They said it was snowing today. Is that true? I was inside. I thought it was raining, but they said it was snowing. I was like, oh my goodness. It's snowing in the desert, and alien UFOs are being shot down and whatnot. What is going on right now? Can someone please tell me? I'm banking on the dollar going up, which means the first four major pairs should continue down. They've got a bunch of momentum already, but we have the open coming up in like a minute. So hopefully we don't get a flippy floppy. That does happen on occasion. Also, it did snow. What the hell? Okay. All right, open is coming up any second now. So embrace for the crazy because it's a coming. Okay, here it is. Either I'm going to get swung out of my trade or it's going to go through really fast. One of those two things is going to happen. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm just making enough money, buy myself a boat or something. Actually used to know this guy. He would go on like sailboat trips, and he would just be gone for like months on his sailboat. I'm gonna get a boat with like a motor and stuff. I'm not good with water. Me on a sailboat is just a recipe for disaster. Yeah, I'm already hiding out in the desert. It's not far enough. I got to go hide out in the ocean somewhere. Okay, all right, that's looking good. Okay, yeah, I think I might have got this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alrighty. Let's have 11 pips to go. I'd be very, very shocked if this failed. Very shocked. I should have gotten this one too. I wanted to pull back a little more. I wanted to pull back to like right here. If I can get this bad boy to pull back, like, let's see, like right here. If this pulls back to here somewhere, I'll definitely get into it. But as of now, I'm just going to leave it alone. Hmm. This was the other one I was looking at. And yeah, this one's kind of all over the place. Let's see. Yeah, it's a pretty good trade. It's not like A plus plus or anything, but I would say it has a pretty decent chance of going through. It might take a while. Hopefully not that like that trade yesterday. That should have been over in like 15 minutes and it took like an hour. And it did end up, oh, that trade, if anyone was watching yesterday, that trade did end up going like 4 reward. I went for the safe 2. I should have just went for 3 like I was telling myself, but there was a chance it would have gotten to like 2.5 and then just came crashing down. So I went for the 2. I got the 2. It's fine. 2 reward is fine. Kind of a small profit day, I guess, but any profit is good profit, I guess. All right. And this, of course, is going up. No surprise there. Yeah, I should have definitely taken this trade here. Right on this bar right here. And then 3 would have been like here. But that's okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, if it's gonna fail, it'll probably be right here. And again, it's fine. I'm gonna let it run though. I'm not gonna get out of it early. Okay, that's a good sign. This is going up pretty steady. Euro is going up pretty steady. And this is still not popping up too fast. Oh, spoke too soon. Yeah, if it breaks above this, I would say, yeah, I wouldn't know what to do with it after that. I probably won't touch it after that if that happens. Okay. Yeah, now it's not looking as good. Man, I should have just gotten this one. This was the easier, better one. I don't know why I didn't take this one instead. Yeah, this one's looking like it's gonna fail now. Had I taken this one like I was supposed to, would have been fine. Or this one. See what's going on over here. Ooh. Okay. This is tradable too. Ooh, am I getting in it? Let's see. Oh yeah, that's definitely tradable there. Oh yeah. I think I do. Yep. Yeah, but yeah, I take that one too. Okay. All right. Took a trade here too. Maybe a little bit early, but I just realized this has the risk reward ratio on it. And I've been like doing math the whole time for no reason. Whoops. Yeah. Maybe a little early on that one. I really should have waited for like one more confirmation, but looks pretty good. All right. This one, yeah, looking not so great. Well, so far I'm in two trades. Let's have the odd NCD long and the Euro USD short. Which should have been the GBP USD short. Was a much better trade. But there is still a chance that this one will go through, even with all this momentum that the Euro has over here. Okay. So if I lose this EU short and I win my odd NZD long, I'll still be up 2 for the day so far. So still wouldn't be a bad day. If they both go through, I'll be up 6 reward for the day. 9 reward is my absolute maximum if I'm not compounding, which I'm not. So 9 reward is the maximum daily goal, I guess. Okay. I'm at least back at a profit now. Let's go. Man, I wish I knew how to pronounce your name. Eno I Omen. Mazizi Zozozo. I'm just playing. I don't know how to say your name, but these are the two I have so far. Yeah, they both look really good. Three are there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I almost got into this one. It was just already so far up. I wanted it to pull back, like I said, this little line here. Then I definitely would have got into it, but I want like a a more substantial pullback on that one. This one is fine. This pair especially reverses on a dime all the time. Hmm. Yeah, the yens were moving yesterday. I completely forgot about them. I always forget about the yens. You get some good moves on the yen pairs every once in a while. Alrighty, looking good. Everything's looking good. Alrighty. Yeah, I gotta figure this music thing out. I was trying to play music earlier or yesterday on my stream yesterday, and it was making my stream laggy and choppy. So I don't know what to do with that. I got pretty fast internet. All right, I'm gonna do a speed test right now. Now I'm guessing it's gonna be affected by the fact that I'm live streaming right now, but it's funny. A bunch of Owanda ads pop up. Yeah, it's pretty good, right? And I'm live streaming. FTMO ad comes up. These some cool looking ads too, like the neon. Anyways, mhm. Okay, now we're getting the pullback. Okay. I need this to pull back to like, I move this up a little bit. Yeah, pull back to somewhere in there and I'll get into it. Other than that, I'm not touching it. Pull back for the comeback, indeed. Yeah, like I said, I'd be very surprised if this failed. But yeah, it was the wrong choice. If you're ever deciding between the GBP USD and the Euro USD, like I said, they're almost the same pair. Very similar pairs. This is the deciding factor. And since this is going up such a strong trend, obviously the euro is going to be going up, so it has a lot of wind at its back. I should have took the short here. I just didn't like how it's already a really big move down. Wanted like a little bit more of a pullback. Anyways, it should still work. It's still a decent trade. Okay. All right. This one's pulling back a little bit. I needed to pull back a little bit more. Yep. Yeah, I want this pull back a little bit more. I'll get right in there. Okay. This one's looking really healthy. This one's, yeah. It does keep rejecting this level, so that's a good sign. But this might be the end of this one here. Okay. All right. So I did lose that one, unfortunately. All right. This was not terrible either. Not great. Not terrible. You can definitely go for a short here. Let's see. I'm gonna do it. Hmm. It looks all right. I don't think I'm gonna get into this one. Okay, nah, probably not. It'll probably work too. Go short here, and then take a reward down here somewhere. See, I'll mark it down. I'm not gonna take it though. Somewhere down here. Okay, getting a little more of a pullback here. All right, is it gonna pull back? Okay. All right. Give this a little bit of time to pull back, and I'll probably enter long, and then that'll probably be it. I don't really see much else to trade. Yeah, it's too risky to go long now. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Mm. Yeah, there's a lot of movement, but it's all most of the movement is connected to the dollar, which means all this stuff is going to do the same thing. all the majors are correlated with the dollar. So it would make sense to take a bunch of trades. I could get back into this one. Still not a very smart idea because of this. I should get back in here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. I'm going to take a short here, and that's going to be the last trade I take. $13 pip stop loss. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So I took a short here. 13 pip stop loss. So again, not the best move ever, but worth a try. All right. All right, guys. So that is all I'm going to take for today. Got this long trade here. AUD, NZD. I don't have time to wait for this one, but I was waiting for it to pull back. I would have went long there too. I got this short trade here, which was a little bit risky, but I think worth the risk. And lost one trade here. And like I said, I have to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. So I'm going to call it a night. And I will see you guys tomorrow.